Hello. Nomad Sculpt Quick Shots Part 28. Let's sculpt quick basketball. First, I go to Google. I'm searching for basketball front view and save such a picture in the photo library. And now you can start Nomad, and you can, in the background, you can bring in the reference image and press on the small plus and bring it here in the background. And okay, the next step is to add a sphere. And where is my sphere? Here is it. Reset. Okay. Now you can go back to the reference image and you can bring it in position like this. And the scale a little bit. I think it's okay. It's for the demonstration. Okay, now validate the object and go to the camera view, camera menu, and add a view. And the rotation cube, lock it, press on it. Okay. Then we need the split tool, and in the split tool, turn off hole filling, and in the stroke settings, turn off front vertex only. Make sure that is off. Camera we don't need. Split is active, then we use the rectangular tool, and then we draw here the first split. And the second one is like this. And for the next split we use the ellipse tool on the left side. And here make sure that the shape ellipse, the circle, is off. And now we can bring in an ellipse and split it like this. And the next split, yes, like this. Okay, let's see the scene menu. What we got this one, this parts, and this one, and this one. These two parts and this are the black lines. We can simple merge them. Then you can go to the symmetry, use the X plane, and mirror it from the right to the left. Now you get this. And go to the paint settings, use the black color, roughness is okay, and paint it. Okay. The next parts are, we can hide this. This is the ball itself, and these are okay. We can simple merge these parts, use the symmetry again, and the mirroring from the right to the left. Yes. Now we got all parts, I think. And this is a sphere we can delete. Okay. Paint. And now come on. Let's turn off the reference image and paint all. Go back. This was the wrong sphere. Yes, such a orange. Paint all. And now you can unlock the view. I think we can turn off the outline. It looks like a basketball. Fine. Turn on the outline again and yes, choose this one and use the selection mask. Turn off the symmetry on the left side and use the rectangular function and mask it. And now you can give it a shell thickness of 0.1 and extract it. And this mesh we can delete. The next one is the ball itself. Selection mask, symmetry off, mask it, and a little bit bigger, 0.2, and extract it. And this mesh we don't need anymore. At this point, you can test a few things. You can merge these parts together, or you can soften the edges a little bit, but I continue with a tutorial. Select the yellow or orange parts, and you can use the stamp brush. In the stamp brush you can use this alpha, turn the tiling to 10, repeat it, and yes, the offset, fall off is okay. And in the symmetry, use the Y radial and bring it, yes, like this. And let's test it. I think we have to subdivide it a few times. Flat subdivision, turn on the wire, subdivide it, subdivide it. Okay, and now let's see what the symmetry is on. It's a little bit too high, intensity lower. Yes. And radius. I hope you see it, it works. there are a few better ways to do it, but it's really fast. To sculpt it like this. You can search a better alpha. But it looks like a basketball. Yes, you can smooth it a little bit. Let's try it. It's too much. Yes. But the ball is ready. Let's turn off the outline and use the post-processing. Yeah, the texture is not fine. You can do it better. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.